Little bluegrass.
Oh, yes.
But, hey, what's the story? We have Celtic, we have world music, we have, and, particularly to their native Canada, the Ottawa Valley sound and the Cape Breton aspects of things.